combination. Other than that, it looks good. Hello. Say ching 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 chong ching chong chong. Ah, ching ching. I'm not very smart. I'm not really smart being out here right now, actually. Oh yeah, right there, yeah. You have the rails off of it? Step over this way. What did you step on? Walk over this too far. Oh, the motor? The rails? No, the whole end of it. Step on it. Is it in the car? Yeah. Seriously? Where did you see the fuel? Was it dripping on the floor? Yeah. I don't see it dripping on the floor, girl. Yeah, it's like a puddle there for sure, but it's fucking dripping down there and going on. What is this? Oh. Oh, yeah.
I think that's water.
Okay, yeah, that's water. Where's the fucking... Where are you seeing fuel drip out? Oh, in the back?
No, in the middle. Right next to the puddle.
Really? But it's not tracing back there anyway. You want some antifreeze?
No, not yet. I want to make sure nothing's really fucked up before I put antifreeze in it.
Jesus Christ, you nigga. Where's the fucking... I had a thing. That's just, it's super pig rich on the fuel injection for a fucking cold start. Super pig fucker rich. Condensation my ass that you can fucking fire a furnace on the shit to see pissing out the ass of it.
You should really be wearing socks.
I know. Hope you're home. Holy fuck.
Some sweet mother of glory pyrotechnics. Rock on, Abigail. Rock on. Same phones, same networks, half the cost. A Samsung Galaxy S2 with unlimited everything, just $45 a month. Straight talk wireless.
Hi, kitty.
Only at Walmart.
Hi.
Celebrating the new year with new chicken nuggets.
Kiki.
Outside, premium net on the inside. And now get a
What?
true story is the film critics and audiences around the world
Bitch. Better?
I was looking at cookies.
No, I appreciate it.